Hello people. So from today I wanted to make Kuti stories in different languages. So today's Kuti story is about somebody who wanted to please everybody, that is the people's pleaser. So this is about a man who wanted to be passionate about starting his own business and grow his own kingdom. He wanted to be the master of his dreams. So he researched more in the market and decided to invest on making a fresh vegetable store, which is more of our organic farming. So this man started the store, and there he has put a board saying fresh vegetables on sale. Now people, his well-wishers and everybody who came to the inauguration started telling him, why do you have to put on sale when you have already put this store up for sale? Then he removes that thing and makes it fresh vegetables. Now again people come up and say, why do you want to mention fresh vegetables there? Because you are trying, it is appearing as if you are trying to sell something which is not fresh, saying it is fresh. Now again he removes it and says on sale. Now when it is on sale, people come up and ask, are you really selling the vegetables or are you trying to sell whatever is up in the store? So again he gets confused and removes everything and keeps it blunt. Eventually his sales go down and he does not excel in the business. Now the moral and learning which I wanted to tell you out of this story is, stop listening to every Tom, Dick and Harry. There will be people in the name of your well-wishers or even your friends and family. It's not wrong. It could be their intention and their perspective. They try to say something which might not work for you. Ultimately, you should be somebody who knows what to do and what not to do. You should be somebody who can see what others cannot see. And when you really start pleasing people around you, you will be the one to lose. So this is a Kuti story which I wanted to share to spread positivity. We teach photography in 4 different languages, and this has become my hobby to make stories to spread positivity. So please share this with your friends and family. Spread positivity. Let's stay strong together. Thank you so much.